A son's plea for justice. Ito ang pahayag ni Attorney Forton via Facebook post. I have obtained permission to post these texts. Eb is the 18-year-old son of Ab, the cyclist in the 8th of August 2023 road rage incident.
He texted me at the time that I was
Was asking Ab to come out and testify. The third screenshot is the conversation between son and father. Again, contrary to what he said in a statement yesterday, Ab clearly had legitimate concerns that led to his decision to not pursue the filing of criminal charges against Willie Gonzalez. Eb, mananatili tayong takot for the rest of our lives if we are just gonna let this pass. Ab, paano kung paganahin niya ang koneksyon niya at ipareading in tandem niya ako ano nang magagawa, may maitutulong ba sila sa atin?
Kasi nagsimula yun doon sa ano ko lang eh. Aminado naman ako sir na may mali ako kasi pagpasok niya doon, di ba, pag ang nakita doon galing sa Green Hill, balik ko sa school. Pumasok siya sa bike lane, sa Green yun eh. Natural doon ako, bike lane yun eh. Eh, dinit-dit niya ako, tinapik ko yung ano na para lumabas. Nagalit. Eh, hindi ko na rin po pinansin. Ang nangyari, hinabol niya ako doon.